Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hope you all are fine and doing well. Today I will give you lecture 1 of week 8, and we will revise few more concepts of fundamentals of computer. First of all, I will give you the recap of previous lesson. In our previous lesson, we have discussed about fourth and fifth generation computers. Fourth generation computers use microprocessors, and microprocessor is small in size, so their size is very small, and their cost is very less. And fifth generation computers use artificial intelligence, and they're yet to build. Their development is in process. Robot works on this technology, and these computers will receive commands in natural language in future. Today we will discuss about types of computers: analog, digital, and hybrid. There are three basic types of computers. Analog computers work on continuous input of data and display results simultaneously, and their special purpose, they're designed to perform some specific task, and they're used in scientific and engineering applications. Their accuracy is less and their speed is fast. Digital computers work with binary digits, and that is 0 and 1, and they work on digital signals, and input is fed with the help of input device, and these computers, you can you use these computers at home, and the speed is very high, and they produce accurate results. And there are many applications of digital computers. Like in banks, you can use digital computers; in hospitals, at home, in schools, etc. They are general purpose because they can perform any kind of task. Hybrid computers, combination of analog and digital computers, they have combined the properties of both computers. They are fast and accurate and produce reliable results. Their special purpose, designed to perform some specific tasks and used in scientific applications. And you can take an example of a gas station pump, where the quantity measured is in analog form and the price is in digital form. Assignment: learn the difference between analog and digital computers. We have discussed that analog computers work on continuous supply of the data, and digital computers work on binary digits. And analog computers are slow in speed, and are fast in speed but produces less accurate results. Digital computers are more accurate, and you can give the example of each one of these computers. This is the end of our lecture. I hope you understand. Thank you.